I could not find, I didn't look at this website, so maybe I just googled the Angler 320OR. This is a Frontier Justice branded knife. OR 320OR. Interesting. Anyway. So here we go. Here we go. Nice orange. So, right off the bat, it is deep carry, clip, tip down, non-reversible, tip down only. Dual thumb studs, centered, flipper, assisted, because I've already played with this. No jimping. Good lockup on the liner lock. Sharpening choil. Branding for Frontier Justice. And then branding for Logo Knives. Handmade. Handmade in China. I'm not a big fan of bolster designs, but this one has a big bolster too. It's comfortable. Aluminum handles, I'm guessing. Full liners, not milled out. No lanyard hole. Have no idea on the steel. So, of course, this will go into our, or my, I don't know what's R, it's just me, EDC testing vlog videos. So, there's your 3.5 finger grip. I don't know, that's kind of some weird handle, because you can put your hand there, but it just seems to naturally want to go like this, but whatever. So there you go. This is the Frontier Justice knife. Oh gosh, I don't even know the name of it. We should just call it logonifecom by Cutting Edge. So, Cutting Edge, the Angler. The Angler. I guess it's some type of fishing theme. Milled clip. You know, I can tell that really reduces the weight. It is, I don't know. Do I have my scale? I have 2 scales and I don't use them. Go figure. But it's heavier than a bug out. How's that? I did not find any particulars for this knife. Must be no new items. Well, there you go.